All right, let's get to it. So to remove the part here, just take the screwdriver and it should just pop right off. Then you unscrew those 2 screws. Now from the inside, there's a screw here and the other one. Now from the inside of the trunk, there's 2 screws there you gotta take out. All right, let's get to it. You wanna take them out just enough. And once those screws are off, you remove these. Remove these screws. And to remove the outer tail light, you have to go inside, remove this part, detach these white things, and then unscrew these 4 screws. There's one here and one up here. And once you unscrew those screws, the light bulb should come out. So that's what it looks like. So you just take your new light fixture and just pop it in. And for the outer fixture, it has a little hook here where it clips on to that. So just kind of like slide it in until it fits perfectly. And once you got it on perfectly, you grab the little screws and you screw them on, but make sure these wires are out. These little screws go into the other part. Then you grab your wires and connect them. One's a US version, one's a Chinese version. So you put it in here, and before you proceed, you check. I left the plastic on because you know I'm gonna be working with it. I'm gonna take it off last. So let's run the lights. And that's what it looks like when it's done. Let's remove the plastic. And now with the light on. Now they're both working. That's with the brake on.